I want to think positive. I want to have positive things in my life, but my mind keeps going towards the negative side and I just don't know what to do. It is a constant fight, it is a constant juggle for me. Isn't that what we all are struggling with? Hi everyone, I'm Madhvi, your complete lifestyle coach, and I'm here to speak about the mind and the mind games that we have. In the previous video, I spoke about how our thoughts create our life and how important it is to think of the things we want so that we get them rather than thinking of the things that we don't want. But to think positive and to think negative, it is a constant juggle. Our mind automatically shifts towards the negative side. That is the natural nature of it because the mind wants to protect us. Thinking negative means it is on an alert mode and it wants to protect us and save us from any kind of danger. But for the early man, the caveman, this kind of behavior helped. But for now, the current situation, we don't need to be afraid whether we are going to die. We have moved on from that survival journey and we are on a path of building ourselves, experiencing life and living life to the fullest. So it is time to shift that focus towards the positive side. But when we start thinking about positive things in our life, it doesn't last for long. We think of it for some time, but our mind automatically shifts towards the negative side because it is automatic for it to go towards the negative side. So what do? So there are three kinds of thoughts in our head. The first is the positive thought, feeling good thoughts which make us happy, which make us joyful, which may give us a sense of purpose in life and which we always want. The negative thoughts is the second kind of thoughts. The negative thoughts are the thoughts that don't make us feel happy, pull us down, constantly give us that feeling of lack and limitation, and these are all the things that we don't want. There is a third kind of thought. That is the neutral thought. This is a space between the positive and the negative. This is a space where you can actually come to and understand and analyze what you want to think about. Whether you want to move in the positive direction or the negative direction. Which is the direction you want to move into, this neutral thought helps you. The positive and the negative thoughts are creating thoughts. They create things in your life. The neutral thought is the not so creating thought. It is the place where you hold on at times when your mind is going really low, at times when you're feeling really negative. You can never think positive when you're in a bad mood, when someone has told something and when you're feeling really low. So what do? You usually spiral down into that negative thought, and one thought after the other, and before you know it, your head is full of all those negative thoughts. So it is easier to bring it to that neutral standpoint, where you are neither thinking positive nor thinking negative. When you are at that neutral point, then you can spend time there and focus on that place. And when your mind has settled down, when your mind is not so negative, it might be still negative, but not so negative, you can start focusing, start thinking about the positive thoughts. If you are unable to think about it, come back to the neutral point and again shift towards the positive side. Because what you think about, you bring about. What you are thinking and focusing on is what your life is manifesting into. Whatever your life was 5 years back, whatever you thought of 5 years back is what your life is today. And whatever you're thinking of today is what your life will be 5 years later. So what is it that you're focusing on? What are you thinking about? The safe zone of the neutral thoughts is always there. Neutral thoughts are thoughts which don't have any emotion attached to them. They are just things you randomly think about, or you're not thinking about anything. You're just dull, blank. You're just blank. From that blank sheet, it is easier to move towards the positive direction rather than just jumping directly from that negative and forcing yourself to think positive, think positive. If you are thinking, I don't want to think negative, I don't want to think negative, then you are thinking negative. If you want to shift your life, the neutral thoughts help you. Keep a bunch of neutral thoughts in your mind which help you always, and keep shifting your focus on them whenever your mind moves towards the negative direction. And from there you shift your life towards the positive side and manifest your life the way you want it. It won't be perfect, but you will constantly keep understanding how easier it is to manage life and manage your thoughts with this neutral thought. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys learned a lot, because this was really helpful for me. I am a person who always moves towards the negative side, thinking negative. So for me to think positive was very difficult. So the neutral thought zone actually helped me a lot. Comment and let me know whether this is helpful for you, whether you're using this, whether this can help you shift your life and shift your thoughts. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Share this video to people whom it would be helpful for, and follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn. See my website madhvilifestylecoach.com, and I will see you next time. Signing off for now, Madhvi, your complete lifestyle coach. Bye bye.